I want to thank you both for listening, and I really, really appreciate you traveling all this way, Your Royal Highness. And you too, Prime Minister.
I think this is quite brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant.
You are completely crazy. När det gäller statsministern, jag är chockad över att du överhuvudtaget överväger det här. Du är vald av folket, det är ditt jobb!
Sorry, Your Royal Highness, but you've got a big role to play in getting the Scandinavian region back on track. You're popular, inspirational, and you have the power to galvanize the people. Now, whether you're on board or not, I'm going to have to insist on getting you somewhere I can ensure your safety. How about you, Prime Minister? You in or out?
Well, I think it's about time that a politician did something that actually made a difference.
Too true.
What?
Take her away.
Det här är helt galet. Du kommer fånga det här.
Drink?
Why not?
Vakter! Yeah!
Don't worry, no harm will come to the princess.
Well, I'm a Republican anyway, so it really doesn't matter.